How to share a TikTok video to your Instagram story. What is up everyone? In this video I'll show you guys how you can easily share a TikTok video to Instagram. First thing first, open up the TikTok application and just make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you are logged in, just find the video that you want to share. So let's say if I want to share this video to my Instagram story, what I can do is just tap on the share icon and then you'll find the stories option right here, right besides repost, or if you don't see it here, scroll to the side, tap on more, and you can find it there. So I'm just going to go ahead and tap on the stories option, and it will save the video and automatically open up your Instagram, automatically post the story there as well, but it's going to give a for the creator of the video, so that's to give them credit. I'm done. And once you are done, just tap on your story to post it. This is the first method. The second method you can do is download the actual TikTok. For example, on this, you're not allowed to share this on stories. So if I tap on stories, the action is not allowed and I can't even download the video. So in some cases, you should be able to download the video. So scroll to the side, find the video, and you'll have an option to save the video. So just tap on save video to your gallery and upload it to your Instagram story from there. That is it for this video guys. I hope it was helpful. I'll catch you on the next one.